Hi friends. Welcome to Chonuk's Tech channel. Today I am going to show you how to create your own VPN on Windows 10. So you don't want to pay for any third-party software to get VPN services. You can enable and disable it as you want without any advertisements. Let's do it. Open your web browser and type VPNBOOK in search bar. Click this site. Now you can see VPNBOOK official website. Scroll down bottom and select PPTP tab. Now you can select country from this list. I will choose Germany VPN server. So let's make settings on our PC. Minimize the web browser, then go to settings. You can go to settings easily using Windows key and I button. Select Network and Internet tab. Select the VPN. Select the default Windows built-in as a VPN provider. You can use whatever name as you like. Connection name is only for recognize your VPN server. I put it as Germany VPN. Copy your selected country VPN server address from the VPNBOOK site and paste it here. Select point-to-point tunneling protocol from drop-down menu as a VPN type. Select username and password here from drop-down menu. Then copy and paste the username from here. And type password exactly same as here. Now click the Save button. Now you can see created VPN server is appearing here. Just click it and connect. You can see it connected. Let's check whether we actually connect to internet as Germany. Go to the web browser. Type as what is my IP in search bar. Now you can see IP address. Then go to whatismyip.com. Link is in description. Copy it. Paste the copied IP address here and click Lookup button. Now you can see our country show as Germany. So now you can use your VPN server free whatever you want. Friends, if this video helps you, please click the subscribe button to see more videos like this and give a like. Have a nice day.